So design patterns are great. They help us build maintainable, extensible, and reusable objects. However, sometimes they get misused. Here's an example. You've got this guy over here. His name is John Smith. He's a fairly arrogant developer. You've probably seen him in my other courses. He recently learned about design patterns and started refactoring some existing code to apply these patterns. Now he feels superior to his coworkers. He feels like a superstar developer just because he learned about this state pattern and applied it in code. That is what I call abusing patterns. Remember this, every pattern has a context. It's there to solve a particular problem. And that's why I've taken a problem-driven approach in this course, so you learn and understand when and how to apply these patterns. If you just blindly apply these patterns in your code, you're going to increase complexity because you're going to end up with more moving parts. So not only haven't you solved a problem, but you actually created a new problem. You created what we call a design smell in your application. That is an application with an overly complicated design. Some people call it over-engineered. I don't like to use that term because a real engineer always tries to understand a problem first, and then they think of various solutions and pick the one that best fits the problem. That is the definition of an engineer, at least for me. Over-engineering a solution is what code monkeys do. Programmers who blindly write code without understanding the problem they're trying to solve. As Leonardo da Vinci said, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. So keep things simple and pragmatic. Don't blindly apply these design patterns without understanding the problem you're trying to solve. Next, I'm going to show you a real example of abusing the state pattern.